This is Eric from Pack Hacker, and in this video we're going to check out the Specialist System Kit, which I've been testing for the past 2 weeks. Let's dive in. So this is essentially 2 pouches that kind of attach together, and I'll show you how they attach together later, but I think that's important to get out of the way before we dive into this because it's separated here in the middle, and if you didn't know anything about this, you might be a little bit confused. So the primary material here is a Challenge EcoPack Recycled Cordura Recore. So it has a little tag there to give you some of that information on there, but it is very durable. It has proven to be very water resistant as well. It does have a DWR coating in addition to the strength of the material. So very happy with how it has held up. It doesn't have a ton of structure, so depending on what you stow inside of it, it can look a little bit different. We have the Specialist logo here on the front. It is on the screen right now, it's looking almost like a little bit brown, but it is very green and like earthy. So I'm not sure how it's gonna come through after we color grade and stuff like that. But this colorway here is green. It does have a very technical look, which I can appreciate. We have YKK zippers. I think there are C zippers throughout the pack. Very easy to open and close. Easier to open and close when they're fully packed full, because there isn't as many like lumps and stuff like that. But even when they are, you can still open and close them pretty easily. No complaints there. So the primary way that these attach together are snap buttons here. So you can see I can kind of pop open that snap and it does open. So I'm gonna close that just so I can show you the other way. And there's a little hook here, a little aluminum G hook there on the top. And that's another way that these do attach, and also kind of acts as a handle. So you can kind of carry the system like this when you have that handle attached. It's not perfect, but it does work. Those buttons do work very well. I haven't had them come undone when I don't want to, but something very fun about using this is you can just kind of rip them apart. When you need to get these 2 apart, it's a lot harder to get them back together. You kind of have to especially when there's gear inside of it, you have to put fingers on either side and snap them together. It's not, I shouldn't say it's hard, it's just a lot harder and takes a lot more time than how fun it is to separate them initially. So just putting them back together for the sake of it for now so you can see it. And we are back together, and we'll attach the G hook, and we have a full kit again instead of the 2 separate pouches. So there's not a lot going on here. It's very minimalistic. There's no attachment points or anything like that, but at the end of the day, these are pouches. They're supposed to be inside your bag. Maybe you'll separate them and use one on your desk and one inside your bag, depending on how you like the internal organization. But there isn't a ton going on, and I appreciate how they look, and I also appreciate how durable they are. If you're finding this helpful, make sure you throw a like on the video, drop a comment down below about what you would use with these pouches, and subscribe to the channel so we can continue making content like this to help you travel smarter. So let's dive into these pouches. They are a little bit different. They're not identical. Didn't get it in one full swoop that time, but the biggest difference is the organization and also the zipper. So as you can see, one of these zippers comes all the way down to the bottom. On their site it says for added security. I don't know how that's more secure. I don't know. One opens like a book and the other one opens from top down. So that's the biggest thing for me, and then obviously the organization on the inside. So we'll start with the Specialist side, the one that has the logo. I'll pop this zipper open. And this one inside, I just have kind of a tech pouch pack out right now. You can fit more gear inside of here, but this is typically what I was walking around with. This is the Joby little tripod for my phone that I use quite a bit. A wireless charging battery bank. A cable that I can use to attach to that battery bank with a bunch of different ends on it, and then just a regular plug-in cable, I believe from Rolling Square, and a pen inside of here. But we do have a little bit of organization inside of this one. We have a zipper on the wall here, and I just have a dongle. Oh, didn't grab the dongle. I have the dongle for my computer, a little battery bank that I like to keep with me because sometimes I'll have something charging on this, and you might want to charge your headphones or something. It's nice to have a little one like this. And then just a pair of older AirPods that are nice to have for working in the office or if I'm working in a coffee shop or something like that. But no other organization inside of here, just that little bit on the wall there. This is a stretchy mesh pocket, so you can fit larger items in there if you want to, but nice to have a place to lock things down. So one thing I like about these pouches is they're pretty versatile. So inside of here, I was using tech. I don't know what I was trying to say, but I was stowing tech inside of here, but you really could put anything in here that you wanted. I had some camera gear in here at one point, and in this one over here right now, I actually am using as a bit of a toiletry pouch. So you really can use them for a lot of different things. I've got a Matador flat pack. I've got some deodorant here. I've got 2 of these, I'm blanking on, just toiletry bottles. Sorry, blanket on the name right now. And then over here on this side, I have a hair comb and a toothbrush set. So you really can put whatever you want into these, especially toiletries work because this material is very water resistant, so it's going to keep water out. It's also going to keep water from getting out of this compartment. The zipper isn't waterproof, so in theory, if something got super leaky, it could get through that zipper. But you clearly can stow a lot of things inside of here. But as you can see, you have a lot more organization ability with this one because it opens all the way like this. You also have a little bit more organization. So you basically have the exact same pocket as you do in the other one over here with this mesh pocket here, but you have these two organization, no topper mesh pockets over here as well, and then a key clip. So you have a little bit more organization inside of this one, which I guess makes sense because you can't open it up like a book, as I said, to really get into the nitty-gritty of organization, whereas with this one, you can't really do that. So whatever you want to use either of these for, you probably can use it for. It kind of feels like a master of none situation where this isn't perfect for anything, but it's going to be good for a lot of things, which for travel, that's kind of how I like to do my travel gear because I do a lot of random things, and it's nice to have gear that I can do pretty much anything with, and that's what this kit feels like. I can put toiletries in here, I can put camera gear in here, I can put a tech pouch pack out here, I can even like put my socks and underwear for a trip in here if I wanted to. You can do a lot of different things with them, and they're very durable, and they look pretty cool as well. Not that I need my pouches to look cool, but they do look neat, and they have a cool attachment system, and I can rip them apart and look like I know what I'm doing. So very happy with these so far. I'm not sure they're for everyone, but I appreciate them. So there you have it, the Specialist System Kit. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.